Hello everyone, welcome. This is JEE Main 2022 PYQ. As per given figures, two springs of spring constants K and 2K are connected to mass m. If the period of oscillation in figure A is 3 seconds, then the period of oscillation in figure B will be root x second. The value of x is, we have to find the value of this x. So इस क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है कि टू फिगर्स है, एक फिगर ए है जिसमें टू स्प्रिंग्स को कनेक्ट किया गया है और दोनों स्प्रिंग के का स्प्रिंग कांस्टेंट्स के और 2k है. Similarly, figure B में again two springs are connected and to the mass m, and the spring constants of the two springs are k and 2k. Clearly, you can see that in figure A the two springs are connected in series, or figure B में the two springs are connected in parallel. So, first of all, we will find out the effective spring constant for the two figures. So, for figure A में दो स्प्रिंग्स जो हैं वो सीरीज में कनेक्टेड हैं, तो इनका इफेक्टिव एज टू स्प्रिंग्स आर connected in series, और वो सीरीज में है और उनका स्प्रिंग कांस्टेंट k और 2k है, तो इफेक्टिव स्प्रिंग कांस्टेंट इन दोनों के कॉम्बिनेशन के कारण जो होगा वो होगा, अगर k इफेक्टिव से हम लोग रिप्रेजेंट करें तो वो इक्वल होगा k इंटू 2k बाई k प्लस 2k के. पहला स्प्रिंग कांस्टेंट इंटू सेकेंड स्प्रिंग कांस्टेंट डिवाइडेड फर्स्ट स्प्रिंग कांस्टेंट प्लस सेकेंड स्प्रिंग कांस्टेंट. इफ यू सॉल्व इट, it is equal to 2k square by 3k, that is 2k by 3. So, if effective spring constant for this combination of the springs, which is series combination, if effective spring constant is equal to 2k by 3, then the time period of oscillation for this series combination of springs will be equal to t is equal to 2 pi root under m by k effective, that is 2 pi root under m by 2k into 3. So this is equation 1. Now for figure B, the two springs are connected in parallel. So first of all we will find out the effective spring constant. For figure B, as the two springs are connected in parallel, so effective spring constant for this parallel combination of the two springs will be, if we represent that by k dash k effective, then that will be equal to k plus 2k. फर्स्ट स्प्रिंग कांस्टेंट that is k और सेकेंड स्प्रिंग कांस्टेंट को अगर प्लस करें तो इफेक्टिव स्प्रिंग कांस्टेंट ड्यू टू द पैरेलल combination of the two springs will be, we will be able to find out. So this will be equal to 3k. So for figure B, the time period of oscillation will be, this is for figure B, and this one time period of oscillation t represents for figure A. सो फॉर फिगर बी टाइम पीरियड ऑफ ऑसिलेशन अगर उसको हम लोग टी डैश से रिप्रेजेंट करें तो वो इक्वल होगा टी 2 पाई रूट अंडर एम बाई के डैश इफेक्टिव that is 2 pi root under m by 3k. This is equation 2. Now we will divide the t we get from the first equation और second equation, दोनों के t को हम लोग divide करेंगे. That is t dash by t will be equal to 2 pi root under m by 3k. This is t dash, 2 pi root under m by 3k, and t is equal to 2 pi root under 3m by 2k. 2 pi root under 3m by 2k. So this will get cut. Finally, we have t dash by t is equal to m by 3k into 2k by 3m. So finally, this t dash by t is equal to root under 2 by 3. The 2 3's are here, so it will become 3. So finally, t dash is equal to root 2 into by 3 into t. In the question it is given that for figure A, the time period of oscillation is 3 seconds. So in place of t, we can write 3. So t dash is equal to root 2 by 3 into 3. Finally, t dash is equal to root 2 second. So this means the period of oscillation in figure B will be root 2 second. This means the value of x is 2. Thank you.